Right then, this is where I'm working today. Got a swimming pool in the back garden. Ooh, posh! I've got a nice little outbuilding just been built, and the electrics have been put in by the installers, but now they need the main supply going in. So here we go. Going to be running the cable round the back. This is the board to put in, bit scruffy, but hey, I'll sort that out. Running the cables all the way back around and double socket there. There's the fuse board. Here's the materials. Bit of 6mm going in today. Whisker in level, bosh. Rod it through, oi oi. And here she is in the board. Little bit of re-manipulation of the cables, get them all tidied up and get that one in. Tighten it up. Little cup of tea, it's freezing, raining outside. Bit of armoured cable, stripping it off. Get rid of that steel armour. Coming off nice and easy. Nearly there. Tightening the gland up. Sorted. Check it's nice and tight. Into the whisker box she goes. Starting on the outdoor socket, stripped. Terminated, and in she is. That was clipped nicely. Nice straight lines. Right then, onto the second bit. We're going to run another armoured from the board from the outhouse. Liven this bar up. Hang on, bar and swivel. That's just showing off. 2 armoured in, cleated nicely. Nice straight lines. Round the side of the building. And this is going to go across the fencing and over to the bar. To supply a socket and some lights. Socket in, and all powered up, and we have light. Beautiful. All tested, board cover on, day done.